Florence Nightingale entered the Sultan Hassan Mosque, where our Grand Mufti gives the khutbah. And she said for the first time, she found what she was looking for. She said, I never found this in the churches of England. She said, I found equality, and I said, oh, would that there was a place for women in this religion. She was struck by the spirituality, and she says in her diary, she said, I've heard in my heart something telling me, turn to Mecca, face Mecca, face Mecca. All of humanity is one. We are all under one God, and there is salvation for all of us. I kept hearing in my heart, there is no God but God. Believe in the one true God. She was a Unitarian. She was not a Trinitarian. This is Florence Nightingale, one of the great icons of the British people. And she saw the beauty of Islam. This is a woman who was given a qilada, this extraordinary medal by the Sultan Abdul Majid of the Ottoman Empire, because she came and served the Turkish soldiers that were victims of the Crimean War, as well as she served the British soldiers, because she didn't differentiate between people.